Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a brand new cleaning device that I got. This is a Dovety electric spin cleaner, and it's really kind of nice because it comes with a telescoping handle as well. Many of you have reached out to me and said, you know, this is great, thanks for all the cleaning advice, but I can't bend down and clean my tub that easily. I can't clean my toilet that easily. I can't clean my floors that easily, windows, all of that stuff. What I really like about this one is it's a 9-in-1 cleaner for one. And so you can do it, you can use it as a hand cleaner just like this, and it comes with a little rubber handle. And what you can do with this, which is really kind of nice, is you can actually take this little rubber handle out, and it has an extension handle. So it's got multiple extension handles. So it comes with these two extension handles. So the first one just kind of screws into here, which I shouldn't have picked up both at the same time. So it kind of screws into here, and it telescopes. So it has an extension on it, which is great if you don't have the capability of bending down to clean things. So you basically can open it up, and when you open it up, it extends just like that. And then you can tighten it so it doesn't go back in, right? And then you have the option to extend it even further. So it gives you a very long reach if you want to clean. And the top of this isn't super heavy either. So this isn't really heavy where you go, well, at full extension, my arms are too tired or whatever. You can do it like this. It has the capability of cleaning pretty easily, and you can clean things like even my fan. I can get my fan and other stuff with that. So it's really kind of nice. So that's my favorite feature. The telescoping handle is my favorite feature of this. The other thing that's really nice about this is that it's rechargeable. So it's just a USB cable. You plug it in right there in the handle. It recharges, and this indicator will rotate until it's fully charged, and then it stops when it's done. It takes about 4 to 5 hours to fully charge it up, but it's not that big a deal. But it's nice that it has that capability. It's pretty quiet. That's high. That's low. It's obviously quietest at off. But at the end of the day, you know, it's nice because it gives you the capability of being a handheld if you're cleaning stuff in front of you, but the telescoping handle is a great function and feature of this as well. It also comes with a couple different things. Like I said, it comes with the silicone thing. If you're only using it as a handheld thing, you can put the little silicone thing in there. Boom, screws in. Now it has a handle to it, so you can hang it up if you want to. Comes with a peel-off stick hanging, basically hook. So if you want to put it, you know, somewhere in a closet, on the back of a door, you want to do that. It comes with this, which is really a nice thing to have. Comes with a carrying bag. And you might ask yourself, why do I have a carrying bag, Mr. Gizmo? And the answer is because it's got lots of stuff. So why it's 9-in-1 is it has the capability of doing things like cleaning a big table. It has this, which is nice functionality for that. It has the ability to clean windows, a little smaller. You could use the other one as well, made of the same material. So it's got window cleaning capabilities. Cleaning tables or stuff like that, it's more spongy. So it has that capability. So if you're cleaning countertops, maybe you want to clean your countertops. And this is not going to damage those. So that's really nice. Harsh things. They say it's to clean up things like oil. I don't know why I would have that problem. But this is kind of like a scouring pad type thing. So it's you know, if you have a stain or something like that, this probably will scratch stuff, but it has the capability of doing that. It has a really nice wool that they say you can clean your car with, and it's really soft, and so it has that capability. And of course, all of those things won't connect with something to this handle really easily. Let me get the thing back up. Unless you have this, which is, it's Velcro. So you can connect this. And then when you're done, you rip that off. And now I'm out there cleaning my car. And you can go through all of them and do that. And you can see that it's Velcro, and it works really, really nice. It also has a bigger brush. Now this doesn't need the Velcro. The brush connects directly to it, and it has a bigger brush for cleaning things, like if you're cleaning your tub or something along those lines. It has a smaller brush to get into those corners, and so I always use tub as an example because you can clean your tub and get into the corners of those things. They also say and show that you can use this on your car tires. You know, you get a lot of brake dust and things like that. You can use that. All of these things are easy to rinse off. And this has got, it's kind of waterproof. It's pretty waterproof, but you're not going to submerge it in water. You're not going to put it underwater. You're not going to put it in a bucket. But if it got the top up here a little bit, like got it in the water a little bit, or you're in a shower, it's not going to affect the functionality of it at all. And then it's got a smaller brush too. So this one they say, you know, is good for cleaning like your gas hood stove thing. If you want to scrub that, you can do that with this. So it has that functionality as well. And then, of course, like I mentioned, you don't want to lose all your stuff, and you have a nice little hook here that you can hang things on. So it gives you the capability of basically chucking all of your stuff in a nice little bag so you don't lose anything. And of course, this little bag's got a nice little tie to it as well. And there you go. All of your stuff's in one place so you don't lose anything. Small little handheld. And then for those of you that don't want to get down on your hands and knees to clean things because it's just too rough on you, you have these two handles as well. And they're easy to kind of just take apart and store. And that is the Dovety 9-in-1, because there's 9 different little cleaning contraptions you have here in one cleaning electric scrubber brush. So I told you in previous videos that, you know, getting an electric scrubber brush is great. They were nice enough to send this to me. You can see what it is. You can buy this on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. I've used this several times with different things just to get, you know, tubs cleaning, toilets cleaning. If you want to get in your toilet and do cleaning with a scrubbing brush, or have to, that does really well with it. We did oven cleaning projects that people were like, I can't reach the back of my oven. This will help you do that. And you can just rinse off the brushes when you're done. That's it. So subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time. Give us a thumbs up. Super thanks is always welcome if you want to buy me a coffee, and we'll see you next time.